In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 PaperMatte, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by locating Recorder app that's already on your HUAWEI and clicking on it. Now tap on this red button at the bottom on the left to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this right button. To enable or disable voice enhancement, use this icon at the top right corner. To add a bookmark, click on Tag on the left. And last but not least, to end it and save it, click on red button in the middle. Now you can listen to it here and manage it using all of those options at the bottom, like adding a tag while listening, speeding it up, or slow it down, skip silences or disable skip silences, and even edit. When you click on edit, you need to pick a part you wanna manage, hit trim, and decide if you want to delete this part or keep it. Then tap on the check mark at the top right corner. And as you can see, a copy of my recording was successfully edited. Now to manage them, you can also hold one on the left and check out all of those options, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!